It's been fun. We actually made some decent money today. As the video's going through, I'll pop up and show you what all we made. But
hey guys, it's Thrifty.
I'm recording you, baby. Good morning, guys. Trent with the Thrifty Pickerz, and we are the Thrifty Pickerz. I got my cousins with me this morning. We're gonna have a fantastic day, hitting some of these yard sales up. So there's no telling what we're gonna find. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you get all of the videos that we upload.
We do this a lot. One time Trey had to edit out me rolling my eyes like 30 times. So now I just look out the window when I feel the need to roll my eyes.
No, I see you doing this.
Yes. Sorry.
Good morning, guys. My wife likes to roll her eyes at me a lot whenever I do these videos. That's what I get to deal with. Anyway, we're glad you came along with us today. It's going to be an epic ride. We're going to hit some yard sales and we're going to make some money today. Today is going to be fantastic. So come along with us and let's get this party started right now. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Good morning. Good morning. How are y'all doing this morning?
Oh, we're good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Fantastic.
We apologize. We're overachievers.
I am an overachiever. I can't help it.
It's a really nice Blu-ray player.
Is it? It comes with a remote.
Yeah. It's a Samsung.
$5. Oh, don't break.
Yeah, those are used.
Yep. Do you know if the DVD player works?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. Who do I pay?
Me is fine.
Okay. Do you have change for 20?
Don't have change for 20.
Do you have $5? All right, I think she's got $5. That's good. I'd rather use her money anyway.
That's too funny.
How much for the picture right there?
How much is the picture?
Look, it's just cold. I'll take $3 for it.
$3.
No puzzles, not Lego.
I have $3. I can get that picture for Sean.
That's fine. Well, baby.
She didn't that. We should wrap that in those blankets and stick it in the back.
Here, just throw it in the bag. Here.
All right. Here's 5 and 3.
Thank you, sir.
And now you got some ones.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I really do. Thank y'all so kindly.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Yard sale number 2. This is a free box. Good morning. How's everybody doing? That's good. That's good. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Beautiful. Already.
Purse.
How much y'all asking on the jacket?
I think I probably wore it one time. Yeah.
You do 10 on it? I'll give you 10 for it.
15.
$12.50.
All right, man. 12.
All right. All right. And then I got this right here too.
What you doing for this?
3. It's all good.
All right, man.
Cause I said 13 for this and 3 for that, and I said 17. It's actually 16, but it's all right.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ready for Eddie?
Yeah. All right. Thanks, buddy.
All right.
Good luck for the yard. Morning.
Morning.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Like the Bud Light sign, neon sign, and the mirrors and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Pickerz light.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All that antique beer stuff. It's like that in there. It's probably $150.
Oh yeah. That's right.
$1.
Door hangers.
How much for your cords? These?
$2 for everything.
$2 for all of them?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Starting to get hot.
Starting to get warm. All right, baby. What is that? Disney Junior. Thing about these cords is a lot of times I buy stuff that don't have cords, or
Yeah. Use it with it.
yeah,
Put it with it.
or like these right here, like that right there's not any good, but some of these will be good. And whenever I sell DVD players and stuff like that, I throw in extra cords and people buy it faster.
Yeah.
Because they're like, oh, that comes with cords too. Oh yeah. Because it's got sweat stains all over it, baby.
What did it say?
But-
Let me find out. It's got sweat stains on it.
Hey, you got to talk to the video.
Yeah, I gotta.
Hey
One of
guys.
these pre-owned sheet sets is a different sheet set. It's $20.
That's okay. How much you
But
want
if
for it?
you can get it for $1,
$1.
so
That's
for
fine.
$20.
All right, get it. Let me see.
I mean, I don't know how much you want.
Let me ask
I
you,
think
where's
it's like
she?
$1 for it.
Where'd she go?
She's right there.
She right there. Will you do $1 on this?
Sure.
All right. Thank you.
Give me all your money.
Got it.
Sister.
I'm up to $3.
Okay. Sure.
I think that's 3. Is that right? I got new bills a while ago, and they're sticking together.
Attached to
You got $1?
I do have $1. You need $1?
I'll just bum $1.
Have another $1.
so much.
All right.
Do you need a bag now?
No, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning. Are you ready? I got it. I got it. Let's see. You want to shut them in? Do they bite? Do they bite? Yeah?
think?
How much? You can get your husband? Okay. Wonder how much you want for these speakers. I'll put them in my office. How much for the fan?
30 bucks you can do.
How much?
30 bucks.
You do 20 on it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Do 20 on it?
Yeah, they need it more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that works, but you have to turn it like this fast, and that works.
Okay.
And I don't like you doing it.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
Cut your hand.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll give you $20 for it.
All right.
How much you do the speakers? You do.
Is this one un set?
Are they Bluetooth?
No, you got to wire them in. You do 5 for all of them?
$5.
$5. Okay.
I don't know. 10 for 2.
10 for all of them.
10 for all of them,
This costs 5.
and then 20 for the fan.
You got $10 because I don't.
Do you have change? You have a 10?
Okay, you're gonna have to go rearrange the back end of the thing.
Yeah. All right. You wanna get that? Can I back my truck down in here? All right, guys. We just left that last yard sale, and you seen we got the big fan, and we got some speakers and stuff. I'm going to use the speakers for my office once I get it all set up and all. But that fan, we only paid $20 for, so that was a really good deal on that fan. I don't know if they were just trying to get rid of it, or if something's wrong with it and they're not telling me, or whatever. Either way, even if it needs a new motor, I can still get a new motor for fairly cheap. So, all right, on to the next one.
Oh,
Okay.
they're looking outside.
Oh, they're looking outside?
That'll work. That's part of the deal too.
Yeah, there's stuff out there to get too, huh?
Hey, buddy, we got some more movies in.
Did you get some more stuff in?
We got more movies in.
Okay.
So we
How much were these?
not in any order. The series were 4, but you know, we'll make a deal.
Okay.
It's probably not cold yet. We did turn it on this morning, but it's just great juice in there.
I just bought my dad one like $8.
Oh,
He
really?
makes his own wine.
Ah.
It has the CD and everything with it?
Is that, yeah.
Okay. Got the games in there?
Yeah, and then this.
Oh, it's got
goes
some
in.
cards too.
Yeah, those cards were something for the characters. It does something. And then it has like extra little pieces that you can sit on there.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, what's my total up to?
What you get?
This and these.
I'm sorry. What and what?
All this.
Oh, okay. So, 15 for Crystal. And this is all. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. Here we can come down to just 10.
Okay.
And then 15, 25 for all.
25.
And you got that.
Then you got that.
Is that all right?
All right. There's 20 of it. And there's 5 of it. The fan band getting ready to eat some food. All right, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up. We enjoyed you going along with us today. Make sure you smash that like button for me. Smash that button. There you go. Smash that button. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel for us. We really appreciate you. hit that little bell notification so you'll get all the notifications every time we upload a video. You'll be notified and you won't miss any of our content. Anyway, I appreciate you, and until next time, remember to be safe, to be honest, and keep picking.